friends. How are you? Hope you all are well and in best of your health. Today, I'm narrating a different story which feels us proud to be an Indian. It's very difficult to say. People, I don't know why they have a complex that they hesitate in being an Indian. Today, I'm narrating a story which will let you feel that you are an Indian. The story of an American man who traveled into a restaurant in London. The moment he entered, he noticed an Indian sitting in the corner. He started laughing at him and simply said, "You bloody Indian." That Indian laughed at him without a response. He kept mum. This American felt so shy and egoist. He walked over to the counter, removed his wallet, and shouted, "Waiter, I'm buying food for everyone in this restaurant except that Indian guy over there." The waiter collected the money. He began serving free food to everyone in the restaurant except that Indian. Now the American felt proud. However, instead of becoming upset, the Indian simply looked up at the American and shouted, "Thank you, sir." He got surprised, shocked, infuriated the man. So once again, that American took out his wallet and shouted a little loudly, "Waiter, come to me. This time, I'm buying bottles of wine, additional food for everyone in this bar, except for that Indian sitting in the corner over there." The waiter collected the money from the man and began serving food and wine to everyone in the bar except that Indian. When the waiter finished serving the food and drinks, once again, instead of becoming angry, the Indian simply smiled at the American man, and this time he shouted loudly, "Thank you, boss." This made the American man furious, quite angry. He leaned over the counter and said to the waiter, "What is wrong with this Indian man? I have bought food and drinks for everyone in this bar except him, but instead of becoming angry, he just sits there and smiles at me and now shouting like mad, 'Thank you.' Is he mad?" The waiter smiled at the American and said, "No, no, sir. He is not mad. He is an owner of this restaurant. He is an owner of this restaurant." The moment the American listened to this thing, he felt so ashamed that he was not able to utter even a single word. Now, boss, may your enemy work unknowingly in your favor. That happens many times. The only thing, it teaches us lots of lessons, which I narrate here only. 1. Stay away from anger. It hurts. Definitely it hurts, but only you. If you are the right, then there is no need to get angry. And if you are wrong, then you don't have any right to get angry. Now have patience. Patience with family is love. Patience with others is respect. Patience with self is confidence, and patience with God is faith. Never think hard about the past. It brings tears. Don't think more about the future. It brings fear. Live every moment with a smile. It brings cheers. Every test in our life makes us bitter or better. Every problem comes to us or breaks us. The choice is ours, whether we become victims or victorious. Beautiful things are always not good, but good things are always beautiful. Do you know why created God gap between fingers? Surely you know. A little more experience you can experience it. The gap is there so that someone who is special to you comes and fills those gaps by holding your hands forever. Happiness always keeps you sweet, but being sweet brings happiness. This is a narrate. This is a what shall which I explained to you. Now, who lost in this entire story? None. It's an American due to anger, due to jealous Indian. We don't know why we felt so ashamed saying that we are Indian. We should feel pride whenever we are outside our country. Now we are already heading towards a victorious century. We have changed our past. Things are getting better for us. We are becoming self reliant and independent. And we should feel pride that we are Indian. This is a simple story, and I feel that you will definitely like it. If you have some comments, do make it to me. Suggest to me so that I can improve myself. I shall keep on making stories like this. Wait for my next story also. Thanks a lot, boss. Be proud to be Indian.